issued a tornado warning for northern Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, southeastern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, southwestern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:49 p.m., a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Evansville, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, weather spotters confirm tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Whitewater, Stoughton, Fort Atkinson, Jefferson, Lake Mills, Milton, Edgerton, Evansville, Johnson Creek, Cambridge, Lake Ripley, Lake Koshkonong, Fulton, Albion, Hebron, Utica, Rockdale, Nossaville, Cooksville, and Indianford. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.